Matisse polyurethane varnishes. The polyurethane varnishes are harder. They are more heat resistant than pretty well any other varnish on the market. Why would you want that? Well, for something like a placemat, coasters, any artwork that might be getting close to something that's quite warm, but they're not completely heat resistant. The satin just has matting agent in it. All varnishes start life out glossy, and then we add matting agent to them to try and subdue the sheen. The polyurethane is just a varnish. It does not need water added to it. You can use it straight from the bottle. Best practice when it comes to apply is multiple thin coats. So if you're looking for a nice, subdued, lustrous finish that's also heat resistant and quite hard, the Polyurethane Satin Varnish MM11 is your go-to.